Hello everyone, welcome back to Kabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. Today I will show you the best way to get free Robux on Roblox. No scams, no tricks, just the honest truth. Let me quickly tell you all the methods and then I'll show you the best one at the end, so make sure to watch till the end. Method 1. Sell game passes. If you've created a Roblox game, you can sell special game passes. When people buy them, you earn Robux. Method 2. Sell clothes. If you have Roblox Premium, you can design and sell t-shirts, pants, or shirts. It's like having your own fashion store. Method 3. Donation games. Play donation games like Please Donate, where other users can donate Robux to you if you set up a donation booth. It's simple and popular. Method 4. Share affiliate links. Roblox gives you option to share game or item links. If someone joins Roblox or buys through your link, you get a small Robux reward. Now, let's talk about the best and easiest way to get free Robux on Roblox. The best way is the Microsoft Rewards program. This method is completely free, safe, and actually works. With Microsoft Rewards, you earn points by doing simple things. You simply need to open any browser and type Roblox Microsoft Rewards. The first website you'll see is Microsoft Rewards. Click on it and Microsoft Rewards program website will open. Log into the website and after logging in, you'll see 3 buttons: Earn, Redeem, and Status. Click on the Earn button and below that, you will find many small tasks. You can complete these tasks to earn points. As you probably know, nothing comes completely free. You have to put in some effort to receive anything. There are many fake videos available on YouTube. If you watch them and follow their steps, you'll keep getting redirected to different websites one after another, but you won't actually get any Robux. The method we are sharing does require a little bit of work, but you'll really get Robux. Even when you search for something on this website, you get points just for searching. Once you collect enough points, you can redeem them for a Roblox gift card, which gives you real Robux. You can even make it your default browser. Whatever you want to search on Google, you can search it here instead and earn Robux at the same time. If you want to understand this whole process step by step with a live example, we have created a separate video for it. The link to that video is in the description and you can watch it to fully understand the process. So in the end, this method is 100% real and many users are already using it. Among all methods available on the internet for getting free Robux, Microsoft Rewards program is the best.